freaking video. Today, I'm going to be making homemade Rice Krispie treats. Again, homemade Rice Krispie treats. I ain't made this in so long, so I'm very excited. So as you can see behind me, I have my pot of butter, which I already got it going. I have my fancy little see-through bowl where I'm gonna pour the Rice Krispie treats in when they're finished. I have the cereal, Rice Krispies, and then I have the marshmallows. Let me get a thumbnail. Okay, so we better get this party rolling. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and continue to vibe with your girl Crit. And yeah, I've been so excited to do this video because homemade Rice Krispie treats is just so good. Like, if you ain't never made them or had homemade Rice Krispie treats, dig into it. Okay, let me turn this down. I'm trying to get the butter on the side, y'all. And my freaking tripod broke. So it's really hard for y'all to see the angles. But I'm about to pour the marshmallows inside the butter. I put butter in the pot so it doesn't stick, because we don't want it to stick, baby. We don't want it to stick. I'm not about to use this. Nah. We're about to use this. So, as you can see, the marshmallows are melting. Make sure you keep some butter in your pot, guys, just so it don't stick. And I got the stove on low. Well, it's actually in the middle of 1 and 2. Keep mixing this. And you want to add marshmallows as you go. I need to go to Best Buy today. I'm gonna just use this whole bag. And I only got one bag because I don't need that much. Just add it as you go. Keep your butter in there. Keep your butter. What y'all been up to? Y'all, my iPad came today. My pink iPad 10th generation came today, so stay on the lookout for that. For that unboxing video. Like, y'all, I got some fire content coming. I'm not even playing. It is Monday. I hope you guys are having a good week, or having a good start of the week, should I say. so good, y'all. Look, like it's just melting so perfect. It's almost done melting. My wrist starting to hurt. Look at that wrist. Look at that wrist. Okay then. Yeah. Look at this. See them big balls? Those are the milk. Let me grab y'all. Looks so good. Oh Lord. Yes, sir. Now, guys, let me set y'all back up. Now I am about to add not my marshmallows. I'm about to add my cereal because this is all good and melted. Look at this. Yes, that's what you want. That's what you want. Mind you, I ain't used nothing but butter in the pot. Now I'm about to add my cereal. I can never get nothing open. And you want to add cereal as you go as well. Oh gosh, I'm making a mess. Don't mind the mess I'm making, y'all. I really only got one hand because I don't got my tripod. But y'all see what I'm doing. Oh gosh. Got my freaking wrist hurting. Turn this off. And here's, is it focusing? Here's how it should look. I don't think the camera doing it no justice. Now guys, y'all can't see that. I am about to pour it in the pot. Not the pot. This glass. Can y'all see? I think y'all can see. Lord, what would I do without my tripod? Lord Jesus, I need it. Like, I literally gotta go to Best Buy. Don't make a mess like me. Do not make a mess like me. Got everything out the pot. I need to clean this up. I'm just trying to get it so it don't look so messy. Either way it goes, it's gonna get ate regardless. But it's so sticky, I can't even do nothing with it. Like, I can't even put it how I want it, which is neat. Yes, boo. My finished homemade Rice Krispie treats. Now I'm about to put these in the refrigerator, let them get hard and cold, and baby, I'm about to dig in. You hear me? So if you guys like this video, if y'all want to see more videos of me making anything, please let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. As I keep telling y'all, please, please, please like, comment, subscribe, and continue to vibe with your girl Crit. Otherwise, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.